Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for the next week that is coming up. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions who watched yesterday's video and dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of that video. So let's get started. Right off the bat, futures market is open. I like the way it's looking right now. I really do. It opened up green, and I think it's about to consolidate until the open tomorrow, which is a great sign. Right on the chart, I do see a kind of like a reverse head and shoulders, right? I do see it. It's right on the chart, okay? And also, if you go back a little bit more on the daily, it's still above that line of resistance, which became new support as we broke upward. So there could be money flooding in the morning and throughout the next week. So just keep your eyes on the SPY. For those of you who are trade SPY, definitely keep your eyes on this one for potential long. I will address this one in the morning as well, in the morning's pre-market analysis video. But the very first stock that you should be keeping in your watch list is LPRO. Yeah. And LPRO has been on a tear for a while now, okay? But the one thing that I see on the 15-minute chart, there is a pattern on here, and it looks like it just broke out. It looks like it just broke out, and the pattern is right over here. Right there, I see a bullish pennant on the chart, and it could go, watch this one for a potential long all the way up to this region right here, okay? Watch this one for potential long. It looks exquisite. It looks clean. I would not put myself in the front of that as a short seller. I definitely wouldn't. So watch this thing for a potential long to go in this region right here and maybe even higher. And personally, as a short seller, I would love to short it. I would love to short it anywhere above $45. Yeah, anywhere above $40 or $45. I would love to short it. Right now, it's not ready for me as a short seller, and it looks really good for a long play. Do not short this one, people. This is definitely not a good idea if you want to short this one. Not a good idea. And I hope that also answers the person who asked about this one. I saw it. It looks good, and so far, yeah, I would say it's part of the best stocks that you keep it on your watch list for the next week. The next stock that you should definitely be keeping on your watch list for next week is Intel. All right. And the reason why I say that is not because it's oversold. Well, it is because it's oversold. It's at a good price right now. Okay. Very good price. But when I look on here on the 30-minute time frame, what I see is a flag. I see a flag right here. Okay. I see a flag right there. Okay, I see a flag right there, and it broke out on Thursday, and it still held it up on, it still held up on Friday. So watch this one for a potential long, especially if it goes above $45.77. So it looks good. It looks clean. I don't have any opposing thoughts on Intel. It's not a trashy company, and it's showing a pattern on the 30-minute chart. So definitely keep your eyes on this one for next week. Now, the next stock that we're going to be talking about, that one, I actually like it a lot. I like it just as much as like LPRO, and it's SPG. And I like SPG for this reason. As y'all can see, it's very obvious, right? It's super obvious. It's right here. It's right there. Right there. This is literally the only reason why I like it, and I want it to go all the way up to $90. I think it's most likely going to go all the way up to this region right here. It looks clean. It's a bullish pennant. It broke out on Friday, and let's look at it on the daily. Looks like buyers are stepping in. The volume is increasing, and there is a bullish engulfing candle on the chart. It looks great for a breakout to squeeze all of these short sellers right here. Right, to squeeze all of these people, and for the stock to run all the way up to $90, maybe $95 in the short term. But that's where I see the stock going. So definitely keep SPG on your watch list for next week. Okay, it looks good. It looks really really good. So these are the best stocks so far that I could find. Now let's talk about what you guys asked about, which are some good questions, some really really good questions. So we're gonna tackle that as well. The first question that I want to answer is Baba. Some of y'all have been asking about Baba and could it go higher? And personally, I do think it could. I do think it could. If you look at it on the daily, there was a bullish engulfing candle on the daily right here, followed by a gap up and a run. That's usually what happens after that occurs. And then there was also a falling wedge right here. It was a falling wedge on the chart right there. And it broke out on Thursday and it kept running on Friday. Usually the price target for falling wedge is like right exactly where it is. But it will be interesting to see exactly what happens on Monday if it opens higher, especially given the fact that the SPY is up right now to 0.24%. So best case scenario, it opens up just slightly higher, like 273, and then spikes all the way up to 282, and then goes sideways from there, or just comes back down just a little bit, just to come back to like 260, and then runs higher. Okay, so but for the short term for Monday, watch this thing for a long to like 282, maybe 280, 282. That's where I see the stock going in the short term. All right, the best entry for this was on Thursday. Now, hopefully that answers your question. The next question that we should address is Cisco. And Cisco had phenomenal earnings, right? And it held its gains on the day after earnings. And it had a good push all the way up to like $43. And so far, I personally would like to see it go sideways some more. Just more sideways action until later go above $42.41. It has been crushed throughout the past like few months. It has been crushed, okay? But I don't think we're gonna get this low. Like not anytime soon at least, okay? So if this thing wants to follow the market, it's gonna open higher at like $41.30, and then from there we can see a big push all the way up to $42, consolidation, and then maybe another push all the way up to $44. But right now I'm not bearish on it. I'm really not bearish on it unless there's a giant gap down, then you should be worried. But right now it just looks like it would be great if it could just go sideways for us just for a few more days before running up to $45 even. So definitely keep this one on your watch list for sure. Not a trashy company. It was a great buy down here when I covered it along with Intel when Intel was at the low. So for all of you who've been able to make money on this, congratulations. And I think there could be more money to be made from this one. Now, another stock that you have been asking about is Qualcomm. Yeah, Qualcomm, that one. And so far, it's been running up a bit for a long time. It had a gap up here, and it just kept running. And another gap up here. And right now, there's a lot of short sellers in this zone right here. Just right off the bat, okay? A lot of them want the stock to collapse. They want the stock to crumble. And will it crumble? Honestly, we'll have to wait and see exactly how it opens tomorrow. If it opens up below 145, then it may be a good opportunity for a short. I'm not too convinced about this. It could go all the way down to like $138, maybe $136. If it opens up below 145, it could be great for that play. So definitely watch this one for a potential short. Like unless it follows the market and opens up higher, then maybe we could change our perspective a little bit. But as of right now, it's just not looking too good. Even after market, it's trading down right now. It's looking kind of weak. And yeah, I'm not liking it too much. And I know these dip buyers right here are like one of the last line of defense. They're right here, and then there's also another group right there. Okay, once that level gets taken out, these people are gonna get scared, and then once they get taken out, then we're going all the way down to like 136. So yeah, that's my very honest opinion on Qualcomm. And I know that y'all have a lot more questions, but that is it for the video. We will cover them throughout the week. But if you got value from the video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you're new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe along with the notification bell and all notifications. That way you get notified whenever I release these pre-market analysis videos, which are released in the morning at 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. And the post-market analysis videos like this one, right, which are released every single day in the afternoon. All right. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. The links are right here. And if you are a beginner looking to get started in the stock market, looking to make some money in the stock market, I left some directions in the description of the video below. Okay, step 1 through 4. It only takes 15 minutes to sign up and to have access to this amazing tool right here, which you see. This is called Think or Swim. It's offered by TD Ameritrade and it's completely free. Okay, completely free. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Guma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens.